A WordPress website will cost you from $45 a year to tens of thousands of dollars. Let me explain. Hi, my name is Adrian and this channel is all about WordPress. If you want to learn more about this platform, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. When you are creating a WordPress website, you have two kinds of expenses, a fixed cost and a variable cost. The fixed cost is your domain name and your hosting. The variable expenses are premium themes, premium plugins, web developers, and many more. A domain name will cost you from $0 to thousands of dollars. A typical .com domain will be around $9 a year. There are also premium domains that start around $60 a year and can run up to $2,000 a year. There are three types of hosting: shared, VPS, and dedicated. Shared hosting means that you are sharing a server with multiple websites, and this is the cheapest. The cheapest one that I found today was from Hostinger. They charge $36 a year. I use SiteGround for my websites. It is fast and reliable, but is a bit more expensive. The cheapest package will cost you $85 a year. VPS stands for Virtual Private Server. This means that you have a dedicated virtual server with dedicated resources only for your website. A VPS starts from around $60 a year. This is all you need to have a WordPress website online. From here, you can develop it yourself. There are awesome free themes and free page builders like Elementor. You can create a cool website with free tools and for only $45 a year. If you are not satisfied with the free themes and plugins, you can always buy some premium ones. A premium theme has at least two features that a free one does not have: an options page and the premium page builder. The options page is more complex than what a free theme will have. You can select layouts for your header, for pages, and for your footer, and many more customization. They also have page templates that you can import so you can create an awesome page with just one click. You can buy premium themes from a lot of websites. I usually buy them from ThemeForest or Template Monster. A premium theme will cost you from $15 to $200. You will use premium plugins only if you will build a more complex website, like an e-commerce store, a membership website, or if you want tracking software for your affiliate business. But if you don't want to build a website yourself, or you don't find the premium themes or plugins that will suit your needs, you can hire somebody to develop the website for you. There are freelancer platforms like Fiverr where you can find developers to build you a WordPress website for just $5, which I don't really recommend. The quality is really poor and you will end up spending more time and more money just to get an okay looking website. You can find skilled developers like me on Upwork, who will build you a custom website starting from $500 to tens of thousands of dollars. Another option is to hire a marketing agency. A marketing agency will build you a WordPress website starting from $2,000. I think those are all of your options if you want a WordPress website. So if you want to build it yourself, it will still cost you $45 a year, $9 for your domain, and $36 for your hosting. That's it for today's video. If you have any other questions, use the comment section down below, and if you found this video helpful, hit the like button and share it with your friends.